So this video is going to show you how to set the limits on one of the new step saver garage door openers. On the new openers, whenever you try to set the limits, or when you try to run it before setting the limits, it just clicks. The light flashes twice. So we need to set the limits on this, so I'm going to show you how to do this real quick. So you've got 3 buttons we're going to use. First, you're going to push and hold this program button until the up button starts flashing. Now you're just going to hold this until the door is fully open. I'll just set it to there. Next, you're going to push the program button and then hold the down button until the door is fully closed. Now, if you have an AC motor opener, like this one, you know, the board will say ACT on it. What you want to do is actually just tap that up button a little bit, bring it just a little bit off the ground, because when these openers set the force, it'll actually bypass it just a little bit. Now you're going to push this button, and then the opener is going to start beeping, and it's going to set its own force. So now it's just going to do its thing. You don't need to push anything. Just let it cycle. Now it's going to set the down force. And then once it beeps 3 times, it's done setting the force. And there you go. That's how you do it. Now, let me try to use our remote. Now the opener actually runs. So that's how you set the limits on one of the new step saver garage door openers.